Okay, so I want you to think about the last time you actually applied for a job. You read about the job listing and you opened your CV, you started making adjustments, try to tailor the title, adjust the professional summary, and you want to adjust the bullet point to suit the job description. Again, you started agonizing whether the CV you are preparing now is confident enough or you are just overhyping yourself. You prepared the whole thing, and at the end of the day, you sent it. Cricket, nothing, no feedback. I believe you can relate to this. Then another job came and you want to apply, you repeat the same thing, 4 5 hours wasted again. And this is one thing nobody want to admit in applying for job. You see, the process of applying for job is broken, and nobody want to admit that, because the process is very repetitive. You do the same thing, it can be exhausting. You do the same thing over and over again. Tailor cover letters, job description, try to match the energy of the job description. It's just in a circle, more like in a loop. And believe me, the process of job application is a repetitive process, and that is what machine are built for. Not because you are not talented enough, but because of the process of applying is in a loop, is repetitive. So that means the machine can do it within fractions of time that you spent trying to do it yourself. So that is why today I'm going to show you a solution. Today I'm going to show you ChatGPT system that compress hours of work, spend detail receiving and all of that into minutes, and it works for every job, every industry, every role you want to apply for. So I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to tailor your cover letter to suit every job you want to apply for. Are you ready for this? Let's jump right in.
Okay, so that is why you see your job hunt has been having a lot of setback because you keep doing the same thing over and over again, and the information you're giving ChatGPT is not different. So that is what we want to fix today. So the first step you want to do, go to the side of your chat. You see project. So click on new project here. So it's going to ask you to rename your project, so you give it a name. Okay, so you give it a name, so you click on create project. So that is your very first step you need to do. So after you do that, it's going to be like this. If you check the project section, you're going to see the newly created project just like that, and if you open in the chat, you're going to see that project you created. So the next thing we want to do is we need to add files, our CV, to this project we created, so that our files will not be scattered all around the whole chart. We need to keep them in a specific place. So what you need to do, click on this plus icon, add your files. So I need to add my files here. So what I need to do, I'll search, you add your CV or your resume here. So I'll just add just maybe 2 of these. Awesome. So I'll click on open. That's it. So it's going to add those files to it. But one thing, you have to ensure you add something really detailed. Okay, do not add maybe a very short stuff. Add something really detailed that capture your expertise and everything you do. So after you add that, you can also add it as a text, but added it as a PDF. So what you need to do, you can type or paste this. This is my complete CV. Store this as my permanent professional profile for this project. Reference it every time I ask for a job search, CV tailoring, cover letter, and all of those things. So after you've done that, you hit on send prompt. So after sending it, it's going to output this. Got it, I stored your profile this, and it's going to list what that profile is all about. So we need to test to know if what we did is actually in order. So here, type this prompt: summarize my professional background in 4 bullet points based on the CV I just provided. So hit it, and it's going to really test if what you gave GPT is in order. Awesome. So it's going to provide that full stack engineer with this, build and shipped this, experience in this, and all of those stuff. So that is going to assure you that what you stored there is really safe and it's going to give you based on the information you gave to it. Okay, so one thing you can also do after that, you need to save this as well to memory. My job search profile as follows: target roles. Okay, you fill your target role, target industry, you fill that as well, location preference, and your location, salary range, and a bit more info that actually suit what you do. Okay, so I already provided that, so I'll just remove this template, but for you, you need to fill out this template and I'll replace it with this. Okay, so again, I'll copy this. Awesome. So I'll copy and paste it here. Okay, so based on the information I gave to it, it gave me this as well. You can adjust something here. Mine is not this high. Okay, so you go through it. One thing you also have to ensure you read through every part of it to ensure that it aligns with what you want or what you do. So after you do that, just go through it, then click on send prompt. So it's going to save that information to memory. So you can see save successfully. I'll use this preference constraint when helping you with job and all of those things. So that is how you do it. Okay, so this is where this whole thing comes together now. We want to test out what you're doing. So what you need to do, you need to get a job description. Okay, go to LinkedIn, copy a job description. All right, I already have mine. So what I'll need to do, I'll need to just we are still inside the CV career hub or jump hunt hub. So you paste that job description. Okay, so here just look for any job description. I already pasted this here. So what we need to do after pasting that, then add this prompt to it. Okay, so I'll share the prompt in the description. So add this prompt: using my CV, rewrite my professional summary and my top 5 achievement bullet point to match this job description. Use the exact keyword and all of that in the job description. So what I need to do after sending that, you just click on send. You send it. Awesome. So you wait for it to give you feedback. So after we send that, you could see that it's going to create a CV. Okay, optimize CV, and we can download it right here. All right, so it's becoming more interesting. I believe you're enjoying this video, step-by-step guide as I'm walking you through this. So again, you see that we have a downloadable CV here. Okay, so again, I want you to as well add this prompt to it, okay, to make it even more better and more interesting. I'll paste it. Remember, I'll leave all of this prompt for you. Now do this 3 more things. 1, write me a tailored cover letter for this role. Okay, 2, write me a cold LinkedIn message to the hiring manager. Other 5 sentences. Okay, so 3, give me the 10 most likely interview question for this role. So boom, I'm going to send it and it's going to wrap up all of those ones. Awesome. So you could see that it's going to structure out a cover letter, which is this. Then it's going to give me a LinkedIn outreach, which is this, and it's going to give me 10 useful interview questions. So is going to respond like a pro, really, because it has the information in it. So this is how I want you to use ChatGPT, okay, so that it can give you output that you are going to be proud of, not generic fluff. Okay, so it's going to tailor it to your own expectation. Right now, cover letter done, LinkedIn outreach done, interview preparation, tailored CV section, all of this done just with these few prompts. So you see, it's becoming more like a killer strategy. Just one last thing, guys. Again, enter this last prompt, which is going to make everything packed full based on my CV. and the job description. What are my three biggest weaknesses as a candidate for this role? Be honest and direct. So send that as well, and boom, is going to quickly give you areas you need to improve. So you see, it's going to give that to you. So this is the strategy I want you to imbibe. No generic stuff, no fluff, no the same way you keep repeating and repeating and making the same mistake. And this is going to change all your job application. So I believe this help you. I'm going to see you right in the next video.